you talking to me? No! The little baby.
Take you out my face now.
The little baby.
Get out my face!
Sorry.
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood.
It's not funny. It's not funny, okay?
Don't drop that dirk. Hey, don't drop that dirk.
Zombie prank.
You're so fat!
Pull up your pants, faggot.
Olivia, you're not a mermaid. No.
Break, like an earthquake.
Tickle, tickle.
No! Stop it!
I'm normal. Me too.
The little baby.
Take you out my face now.
The little baby.
Get out my face!
Sorry.
What the? Hello? Huh?
Okay, so this is what black mannequins look like.
Like nigga was cute shit. Nigga what had that? Swear.
All right, Jose, what do you like to eat? Fish, macaroni and cheese. It's cheese. Listen, white boy, nobody fucking asks you.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Fuck pictures. Don't tell my mom that, please.